All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm checking out some of this Battlbox stuff I got right here. And as I'm looking at this, I'm like, wow, not too many things came this month on the Battlbox. Couple good things, couple cool stuff, but really not too many things. You know, like I'm looking to the box and thinking to myself, that's it? But either way, this is sent here to the channel by Battlbox every single month. We definitely appreciate that. Let me share my screen right here, show you guys. If you don't know, Battlbox is a company that you pay every single month, and every single month you get stuff, right? You got your basic, you got your advanced, pro, pro plus. I get the pro plus here to the channel for, I guess, to show it to you guys. So Battlebox send this to the channel every single month. I just like to tell people, look at this. It's $160. That's a lot of money. That's like a motorcycle payment. So if you are, or want to get this, make sure that you understand what you're getting. I'll show you this stuff here. And obviously, I've done like a million videos on this already. So again, understand what you're getting, because for $160, that is a lot of money, right? So again, you get a booklet just like this. And this is going to have a description of the things that are here, right? So that's kind of what you get. Let me go item by item. Again, that's kind of what I do here. Go to the Battlebox video. They actually do really good, good job explaining exactly what you get. And although, they do actually testing and things like that. So the first thing is going to be a lower and feel leather cozy. And you got it right there. That's going to be valued about $24.99. I believe it's leather. It has to be lower and feel, does a lot of that kind of stuff. So again, it's going to be the first thing. I got it right here. And again, I don't use this. Maybe I start using it now that I have it. But my kids always get a kick out of this stuff like this. So, all right, you know what? Let's do a little testing right here, because I got a Monster that I was drinking. Let me see if it looks cool. All right, maybe it looks tactical. If it looks tactical, I got to do it, because it's all about looking tactical, right? YouTube is about looking tactical, nothing else. If you look tactical, you get a lot of subscribers. So, again, that's going to be the first thing. It's going to be valued about $24.99, right? The second thing is going to be here. And this is going to be valued about, let's see, $4. Right. So this is an instant shower in a bag. And you know what? As I was looking to then demonstrating and doing the video, I thought this is actually pretty cool. Like, buy a couple of this, put it in a backpack or something, because you crutch this, and after you crutch it and you fill it in there, there's a liquid. You could use the bag or the rag to wipe yourself, right? So, again, very, very cool. I tell you what, if I, back in my Marine Corps time, I would have got a couple things, couple of this. I'm sure Marines would have made fun of me. But again, quickly break it and wipe your most critical part, those parts, probably is a good idea. And then you have the rag for something else. So very, very cool. Again, not really that expensive. Definitely figure it out. Maybe Amazon or something has some links. Buy a couple of this and put it in one of your packs, because I actually like this a lot. Now, the next thing is going to be, obviously, this is mission 76, in case I didn't mention that. It's going to be the Ganzo Firebird 7601. Somebody be blessed, because I'm going to give this to somebody. By the way, I give a lot of this gear away. And it's this knife right here. Now, if you don't know about Ganzo, it's supposed to be like a very inexpensive, I guess. I don't know if inexpensive is the right word. Knife. They've been around for quite some time. And again, this is going to be valued about $26, which is really not that bad, right? So, no, there's no flipper. I don't like that. Then you have to use this. So, again, look at this. It actually looks kind of nice. Let me look at some of the specs right here. It says blade length 3.42. Overall is going to be about 8.07. Thickness is going to be about 0.12. Handle about 4.65. And handle thickness is going to be 0.77. G10 scales. And let me put it this side. Man, I should have brought my glasses. I don't like wearing my glasses. 440C. So, again, very cool knife. Actually, it looks really nice. Probably a good beater. And you know what? It's not even liner lock. It's not liner lock. Okay, interesting. So no flipper, and it's not liner lock. So I'm assuming, there we go. You push this little thing in here. So dang. So let me practice this. Ooh, you saw that? Should I do it again? Let me see. Woo! You better watch it. Now that was tactical. And again, it comes in a little baggie. I'm going to give it to somebody, probably somebody at work or something. And kind of cool. Put it in the baggie. Put it back in here. So like that when I give it to somebody, it looks nice and fancy in the case. And bam, close it. All right, so that's going to be a knife. So you got your Lauren Field leather cozy thing, this thing to shower, and a knife. That's going to be the Battlbox basic. Now we're going to go into the advanced. I kind of like this, and when I saw this, I was thinking about my motorcycle. If you haven't subscribed to my motorcycle channel, I don't know, really don't know what you're waiting for. My motorcycle channel is the coolest channel in the community of motorcycles because it's mine. And I've been using a 360 camera, and it's very, very cool. So, again, links down below. But, again, you know, this is one of those things. There we go, right there. Vacuum bag. So, it's really cool to use this to put it in your saddlebags, or I got a trunk and things like that, right? This is going to be valued about $44. And, again, it's a vacuum bag 2.0 XL. So extra large, and usually these things you put a bunch of stuff in there, and as you put a bunch of stuff in there, obviously you vacuum everything, like you push it down, like yeah. And what happened is that essentially what happened is that all the air comes out, and you have more space. And you know what? It looks kind of cool. So again, this is actually pretty beneficial. There's a lot of things that you could do with this, and you know, some of you guys having patrol bags and things like that. This is actually very cool, right? You put this inside one of the bags. There we go. Inside one of your patrol bags or 3-day packs or whatever we call it nowadays. I don't know what we call it nowadays. And then you suck everything out. And again, you have dry clothes. And dry clothes is nice to have, right? Let me switch here. Put that over there. So that's going to be the advanced. And it's going to be valued about $44.99. Now, here's the next thing I have. And I actually, give me 1 second. There we go. There we go. I actually took this away from Stacy, because when Stacy saw this, she was like, "Give it to me," and I was like, "Are you kidding me? Like, you take my bag away?" And here's what I got. Let me see this camera right here. Oh yeah. So it's a travel bag, right? Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. So let me just show it to you because I can't talk like this. All right, so that's going to be about $89. Lauren Field, once again, leather duffel. And here you have it. And Stacy thought it was the coolest thing ever. She was like, give it to me. I'm going to take it. So when we go on trips and things like that. And again, it's going to be 23 large, 23L by 12T by 9Y. Very cool. Leather. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Very cool. And $89 in value. So I like that a lot. Like I say, I actually, for this video, I had to go to the closet and pick it up because Stacy already got it. And the knife, I actually was carrying this knife already. This right here. Look at that thing. I'm going to show you the knife right now. Fox Edge, and is FE 520, $160 in value. Wow, that's a lot. And I'm going to tell you, the biggest thing is that, let me see right here. It's heavy. It's really heavy. As I was using it, I thought to myself, wow, it's really heavy, but it's a beast. It's truly a beast. Look at this. It's all blacked out too, which is kind of cool. So if you don't mind carrying something that is really heavy in your pocket, this may be a choice for you, primarily because of this right here. Look at this. I mean, this knife is a beast. So I was carrying it, and like I said, it's kind of heavy, but again, you know, look at this. I mean, this has that glass breaking thing down here. I mean, the blade. I like the profile of this blade. I don't know why. It feels like it's really nice to slash and things like that. So, very, very cool right here. This is about $159. That's a lot of money for a knife. Really a lot of money for a knife. Let me see if I see some of the specs without my glasses. 3.74 for the blade length. Overall, it's going to be about 8.54, so it's a pretty big knife. Weighs about 6.7 ounces, which, like I said, is heavy. BG 10 steel. Now, I'm not a steel master, but as far as I know, BG 10 is supposed to be a very decent steel, right? The design is going to be drill point flat grind. Blade finish is going to be black. Handle material is going to be G10. Stainless steel liner lock. So there you have it. So again, very, very cool knife. Ooh, I like those flippers. And then it kind of serves as a finger guard in a way right there. See that? I like that. So again, very cool knife. Actually, pretty expensive knife as well. A little bit heavier. But if you don't care about that stuff and you want a knife that is rugged, a knife that this to me does more than just your basic, if you want to say open letters and things like that. This does way more than that. So if you want a knife that is rugged, maybe you're working a rugged place that you need a rugged knife, rugged, there you have it. So anyways, that's everything for the Battlbox. Appreciate Battlbox sending this to the channel for me to take a look at it and show it to you guys. Their support has been fantastic. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And as always, God is in control.